In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a payment link in HubSpot step by step. If you want to send customers a direct checkout link for your products or services without building a full website page, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Payment links in HubSpot are perfect for collecting one-time payments, selling services, or even sharing simple checkout links through email or DMs. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can set this up in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll want to go to Commerce. When you hover or click on Commerce, you'll see an option for Payment Links. Go ahead and click on Payment Links. This is where you can manage all the payment links you've already created and build new ones. Now that you're inside the Payment Link section, the next step is to click on Create Payment Link. You'll usually find this button in the top right corner. Click that, and HubSpot will begin the setup process for your new payment link. Next, HubSpot will ask whether you want to start from a blank payment link or use a template. Templates can be useful if you frequently sell the same type of product or service and want a pre-structured layout. But for this example, we're going to choose blank so you can see exactly how everything works from scratch. Select blank and continue. Now it's time to add line items to your payment link. This is where you define what the customer is actually paying for. You'll see an option to either select a product from your product library or create a custom line item. If you already have products set up in HubSpot, choosing from the product library will save you time because pricing, names, and descriptions will autofill. Simply search for the product, select it, and add it to the payment link. If you don't have a product saved in your library, you can click Add Custom Line Item. Here, you'll manually enter the name of the product or service, the price, the billing frequency if it's recurring, and the quantity if needed. Make sure the pricing is accurate and double-check whether it's a one-time payment or recurring subscription, depending on what you're offering. After adding your line items, you can review the summary on the right-hand side. This will show the total amount the customer will pay. At this stage, you can also adjust additional settings, like allowing customers to enter custom quantities, applying discounts, or collecting billing and shipping information if required. Take a moment to review everything carefully to make sure it reflects exactly what you want your customers to see. Once you're satisfied with your line items and settings, click Create. HubSpot will then generate your payment link. After it's created, you'll be able to preview the checkout page to see exactly what your customers will experience. This is a very important step because it allows you to test the layout, confirm pricing, and ensure everything looks professional. When everything looks good, you can copy the payment link URL. You can now share this link anywhere you'd like, through email campaigns, direct messages, social media, proposals, or even embed it into landing pages. Anyone who clicks the link will be taken directly to the checkout page where they can complete their payment securely. And that's it. That's how you create a payment link in HubSpot step by step. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save you time and make it much easier to collect payments from clients and customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.